guys, update for the sewing machine repair with the help of a crochet latch hook, a long needle, the tweezers, some oil, and patience. I am able to run the machine backwards. Ha ha ha. Okay, well, that did not go how I thought it would. You guys, some thread managed to come out. I'm going to pull it out with the tweezers, and also I reinstalled the hand wheel, so it's operating as normal except for the starting and stopping because of these threads. Okay guys, I added a few drops of kerosene, and this is my kerosene, to this hole over here, and I think everything is better now. Let me run the machine. That's moving forward. Let's reverse. Yay! I think it's fine now. There's a lot of splatter. Wow, that went way up on the wall, but it was totally worth it. So now I can close up the top of the machine. There are only 2 screws. There's a small one and a big one. This big one goes here, and this smaller one goes over here. I think that's pumped too. Our screws are star-tipped, so we're using a star-tipped screwdriver. Here's what this one looks like, and that's the screwdriver itself. And in reverse. Yay! Ta-da! It's tidy now, and now I can sew. So I will always use the cone thread and put it on the table whilst I save up for a proper sewing machine table with cone thread holders, and I will never again leave a bobbin unattended here so that the thread doesn't get sucked into the chain and into the hand wheel. If this helped you fix your own machine, that's awesome. Thank you so much for watching again. I will see you in the comments and in the next video. Take care. Bye.